Hello, wonderful people, and welcome. Have you ever felt like your marriage is facing a storm? Like a disaster is brewing and you're not sure how to handle it? Well, today, I want to encourage you and tell you, do not fear. There is hope, and there is a powerful way through it. First, let's look at Proverbs 17, verse 22. It says, "A cheerful heart is good medicine, but a crushed spirit dries up the bones." In the middle of a marital crisis, it's so easy to let our spirits get crushed. But choosing joy, even when it's hard, can be like medicine for your relationship. Nehemiah 8 verse 10 reminds us that the joy of the Lord is your strength. Your strength to overcome challenges in your marriage doesn't have to come from you alone. It can come from a source of unshakable joy. So how do we find this strength and joy when things feel so wrong? Proverbs 3 verses 5 and 6 give us a clear roadmap. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, submit to Him, and He will make your paths straight. When we're facing a marital disaster, our own understanding can be clouded by hurt and confusion. But when we choose to trust a higher power to guide us, He promises to make our path clear, even the path to healing your marriage. Now let's talk about the power of our words. Proverbs 18 verse 21 says, "The tongue has the power of life and death." In a struggling marriage, our words can either bring healing and life, or they can cause more damage and death to the relationship. Are you speaking words of life over your spouse and your marriage? Are you building them up or tearing them down? Your words can literally change the atmosphere in your home. But what if you've been deeply hurt? What if forgiveness feels impossible? Mark 11 verses 25 and 26 are so important here. It says that when you stand praying, if you hold anything against anyone, forgive them. Holding on to unforgiveness not only blocks your own peace, but also hinders the healing process in your marriage. Forgiveness isn't saying what happened was okay, it's releasing yourself from the burden of bitterness. And finally, let's practice patience. Proverbs 19 verse 11 says, "A person's wisdom yields patience. It is to one's glory to overlook an offense." It takes true wisdom and strength to be patient with your partner and to choose to overlook an offense instead of escalating a fight. This doesn't mean ignoring problems, but it means approaching them with a spirit of grace and a desire for restoration, not revenge. So, don't fear the disaster. Instead, face it with joy as your strength, trust as your guide, life-giving words, a forgiving heart, and patient wisdom. Your marriage is worth fighting for. Thank you so much for watching. If this message resonated with you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more encouragement. See you next time.